A whale and its baby. Do you know where whales live? Whales live in the oceans, where they eat tiny floating plants and animals called plankton. Can you see the panda bear? I wonder if you know where this special bear lives. Pandas live in China, where they roam the bamboo forests in search of their favorite snack, bamboo, of course. Such a cute hen! Have you ever seen one? Where does it live? Chickens, hens, roosters, and little chicks can live in gardens or on farms. They are domesticated animals. Look, a colorful butterfly. But where does she live? Butterflies can live in forests, meadows, and almost anywhere with plants for caterpillars to eat. Some butterflies sip nectar from flowers when they are grown, while others enjoy munching on the juice of sweet fruits. A toucan! Such a colorful bird. Do you know where it lives? Toucans live in the rainforests of South and Central America. They love eating fruit, but they aren't picky eaters. They also like nuts, eggs, and even insects. Do you know where giraffes live? Giraffes live in Africa. You can find them in both grasslands and some woodlands. Look at this happy crocodile. Do you know where it lives? Crocodiles live near rivers, lakes, and even seas, where it's warm all year round. Look, a cute dog. Do you know where dogs live? Dogs are domesticated animals. They live near humans, mostly in cozy homes and gardens, but some dogs work on farms. Do you know where polar bears live? They live near the North Pole, where it's cold all year round, and ice covers parts of the sea. It's a roe deer. But where do roe deer live? Roe deer live mostly in Europe, often hiding in forests or grazing in flowery meadows. A horse! Do you know where horses live? Most horses are domesticated animals. They often live on farms.